This is Walker Farm in Barrington on beautiful 100 Acre Cove. And it's a really nice example of how to combine wildlife habitat restoration with improvements in coastal access. And I'll tell you, as I walk around the site, the thing that stands out to me the most is the importance of working with nature instead of against it. Let me give you a few examples of what I'm talking about. Not that long ago, the shoreline was buried under piles of broken concrete and asphalt. All of that has been removed and a thriving, living shoreline has come up in its place. I tell you, when the sun hits those salt marsh grasses, it's just electric. Farther back from the shoreline, areas of mowed lawn have been replaced with much more natural wildflower, meadow, more salt marsh habitat. It's great for birds, for fish, for crabs. It helps with flood control, stormwater management. It even helps with water quality improvements. So this is a really great coastal resilience package. On the access side, there is a really nice sitting area that provides a gorgeous view of most of 100 Acre Cove. And there are ADA compliant facilities for putting in kayak. So this is really about increasing access to nature for everyone. Green bonds help fund this project, allocated by the Rhode Island Infrastructure Bank through the Municipal Resilience Program, or MRP. The Nature Conservancy is a partner in this work, and I've had the chance to tour so many MRP success stories, from Woonsocket to Warwick to Bristol. Now in Barrington. Next I'm going to Wickford. This program is working, and the Nature Conservancy is very proud to be a part of it.